After more than 25 years at sea, I've realized something that I think you also can agree with. A dinghy on a boat isn't just nice to have, it's almost like need to have. Nowadays, dinghies are lightweight, inflatable, fast, fun and safe. But it's a hassle every time you're mooring in a marina, or when cruising at planing speeds with a powerboat, or when sailing, by the way, at least if you're a speed geek. The existing solutions for hoisting a dinghy are heavy, clumsy and expensive. No wonder, because they were made for the old type of dinghies, not the inflatable ones we use today. To make it easy and convenient, we invented a minimalistic kind of dinghy davit based on 2 polished stainless steel rings with a design that fits around the pontoons of the dinghy. Just put your dinghy in the rings and pull. The rings will rotate and the dinghy is out of the way immediately.
We've got 3 models, which covers most of the boat models. Slim for small sailing yachts, Bold for power boats, and Flex, a flexible functioning solution, hangs on the transom of the boat and doesn't require any permanent installation.
Beside the marine products, we have also developed a product for the freeway and recreational vehicle market.
When we offer a way to combine camping, boating and fishing, we add extra butter to a mobile lifestyle. Whenever you stop at a beautiful spot, you can be in the water in no time. To do this, to take those extra steps into the global market, to prepare for the Amazon age, to develop the integrated version for new boats, and to afford marketing campaigns, we need you.
We have more than 400 units sold and only happy users. Now it's time to scale.
Please, join us, even if it's just with a little.
See you at the sea and see you at the road.
And don't forget to sign up.